When we think of freight, we often picture ships or trucks, but rail remains a powerful backbone of inland logistics. Rail freight moves massive volumes over long distances efficiently and sustainably. Today, we'll dive into how it works, its role in global supply chains, and what the future holds. Rail freight refers to transporting goods using trains across land. It's ideal for heavy, bulk, and long-distance cargo, such as coal, grain, steel, chemicals, automotive parts, and containers. There are several types of rail freight: bulk freight, like minerals, intermodal freight, standard containers, and specialized rail cars, like auto carriers or tankers. Rail operates on fixed tracks and schedules, often linking key seaports to inland distribution centers, factories, and rail yards. Many national networks, such as the U.S. Class I railroads or China's Belt and Road corridors, depend heavily on rail for economic flow. So why choose rail? Here are the key benefits. One train can carry the load of hundreds of trucks. Lower fuel use per ton than road freight. Excellent for medium to long hauls. Trains emit 70–80% less CO2 per ton-kilometer compared to trucks, less affected by weather, traffic, and road conditions. This makes rail freight an excellent choice for stable, high-volume, and scheduled shipments. Despite its strengths, rail freight does have challenges. You need terminals, loading zones, and track networks. Trains only go where tracks exist. Trucks are still needed for last-mile delivery. It may not be suitable for urgent, time-critical deliveries. Cross-border rail freight may involve complex customs and network compatibility issues. For these reasons, rail is often used as part of a broader multimodal logistics solution. Rail connects continents. Let's look at examples. Rail is central to freight movement between countries, with green corridors expanding across borders. The China-Europe Railway Express has become a key link for high-value goods between China and Europe. Rail serves as the core link between ports and inland hubs across the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. The dedicated freight corridors, DFC, improve capacity and reduce congestion. These networks reduce road congestion, lower carbon footprints, and offer strategic alternatives to sea or air freight. As global trade continues to expand, rail freight is evolving rapidly to meet rising demand and tighter sustainability goals. One of the biggest shifts is the move away from diesel-powered locomotives as operators explore cleaner alternatives and electrification to reduce emissions and operating costs. Rail systems are also becoming smarter. Advanced scheduling tools, real-time cargo tracking, and integrated data platforms are being tested and implemented across major freight corridors. These technologies aim to boost both safety and efficiency, allowing better coordination between rail operators, logistics companies, and customers. What's more, rail is increasingly being seen as the perfect balance between speed and reliability, especially for high-value or time-sensitive cargo. And thanks to improving infrastructure and digital systems, transferring containers seamlessly between rail, sea, and road transport is becoming smoother than ever before. Rail freight is not just surviving in the modern supply chain, it's positioning itself as a smarter, cleaner, and more strategic mode of transport for the future. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to logisticsABC. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on future videos. Check out the recommended videos here for more great content. Thanks for being part of the logisticsABC community, and see you in the next video.